By the 19th century, the Basque language had already disappeared from numerous dialects and varieties. If we apply the 19th century classification to these areas, then the proportion of Álava and Navarre speaking, respectively, the Biscayan and High Navarrese dialects increased quite remarkably. Juan Pérez de la Razaga, Lord of the Tower of Larrea, manuscript 1564 to 1567. The discovery of the manuscript written by Joan Pérez de la Razaga, Lord of the Tower of Larrea in Álava.
Has been one of the most important findings in the recent year in the Basque literature. The manuscript was written between 1564 and 1567. It was written in a variant of the Basque languages from Álava, which nowadays does not exist. Furthermore, in the text Euskal Herria is quoted several times, and according to the date of the manuscript, this will be the first time this name has been mentioned.
The Romans both their language, Latin and all the language surrounding the Basque language at the time, vanished. Indo-European language and no Indo-European language. In that epoch, Basque was spoken in a language area from the river Garonne to the river Ebro and east to the central Pyrenees.